Hey guys, welcome back to Go Rebuild It, and we are here on a new project. We have got a 60-inch sink base. This is the old style. Most of them are about 36 inches now. So we've got a 60-inch sink base. It's running to about here, and we've got 27 inches of space here that we've got to put a 24-inch dishwasher in. So we've got to cut this style, part of this cabinet off here, and then we're going to be cutting this cabinet using the end panel to cap this off. So anyway, just stick around. You're going to want to see how this ends out, okay? Hey guys, we are back, and as you can see, make a lot of progress very quickly. We've got this section of cabinet torn out, and we actually were able to remove the stile here for the drawer, set somewhere about in here. And so now all we've got to do is make a couple of trim cuts, cut this bottom panel and back panel, and we'll be ready to set the dishwasher in place, kind of see where we need, and may have to add some filter strip on each side, because remember, we're going from 27 inches of space down to 24. So going to get interesting from here on out, so stick around. Alright guys, welcome back, and as you can see, we've got our dishwasher set in place. We've got our end panel that we've actually cut out of the cabinet, and they say X marks the spot, so here we are. We've salvaged these two end stiles off of our cabinets, and we're actually going to be using those as filler. So we're going to be pulling this panel back out, pulling the dishwasher out and attaching these and getting these put in place. And once we get that done, we've got the electrical run down in the back. It's just a matter of hooking up some plumbing on the inside, and we'll be ready to fire this thing up here shortly. So stick around, stay tuned. guys, we are back and we picked up a few more supplies, and we are in the home stretch. We're going to be installing our cut-in box here in the back. We want that recessed all the way to the back so we can have that flush. That gives us plenty of room in the back for the dishwasher. Plus, it also allows us to hook up a pigtail on the dishwasher, so if we ever had to remove it, it'd be easier to unplug. So anyway, you can follow along. We're going to be close to getting this installed here, so stick with us. Don't go away. Hey guys, we're back. We're gonna hurry so my phone doesn't ring again. Anyway, we've got the dishwasher installed, and we were able to utilize a couple of the styles from the old cabinets, and actually the end piece off of another cabinet. We kept that just so that finishes off that end very nicely. So we used just a small piece of trim in the middle just to give that more of a decorative look, since we just had put two styles together. But anyway, it turned out great. We've already tried the dishwasher. Everything's working good, and all the plumbing's hooked up underneath the sink, no leaks, so we're good to go. So, hey, if you don't know what to do with your project, can I remind you? Go rebuild it.